Hey everybody, we're going to be doing a light bulb on the passenger side. So yeah, some blood on there. Actually doing it on the side of the road. Sorry for all the noise. But I'm going to fix it. So I noticed it blown out when I went to start my trip. So this is a 2018 Malibu. It takes a 9005. If you watch videos, people are like, oh, these are brighter, them are brighter. I don't care. This light bulb's $4. $4 from Amazon. That's what I'm putting back in it. It looks like all bulbs are about the same unless you go LED. But I don't want a fan that's spinning in there that may go bad someday and then catch on fire. So we're gonna be doing light bulb over here. We got a turn signal. This is aftermarket. We got turn signal, light bulb, and then clearance, which clearance on these aftermarket is LED, which is awesome. If you've ever tried to change that, it's not easy. So you want to go ahead and start taking this out. This is the passenger side again. I've already taken it out. You can fold it up if you want, and while you have it up, just kind of look around. Make sure everything's nice. I've never seen that before. Make sure your filter's all clean. Make sure there ain't a mouse nest. I got a nice butterfly in there. I'm on the side of the road, so I only can do so much. But right here is the cap. You're gonna screw it. Yeah, you're gonna screw it. You're gonna twist it off. Yep. There we go. I twisted it off. It's got a little seal on there. Looks like it's got a little bit of grease on it to keep the moisture out. It only twisted like that far. It didn't twist at all. Look in there and find that bulb. It's a lot easier to do without the camera, but I guess I'm trying to make a video here. See the bulb in there? It just twists. Go ahead and take that thing off, the fitting. I'll just wiggle it around, kind of feel for it. And this may look like a hard job to do. It's a lot easier than some vehicles. So when you pull it out, make sure it's burnt out. So this one doesn't look burnt out at all. Yeah, normally that little filament there won't be there. So if it's not burnt out, which mine's not looking burnt out, it could possibly be your wiring somewhere. And since your wiring, actually your wiring is behind all this, it doesn't go down in here. It could have got moisture in it or something. See the little grooves? Goes in like that, twists. I know this video ain't the best. There's the plug. You guys can stare at the thing a little bit. It looks like the big part, which is right here, goes down to the bottom, if you can see that. And it just pushes in, twists. So I'm gonna change it out anyways. I'm wearing gloves just because it's cold out, but you should wear gloves, that way you never touch that filament. If you touch it, your grease gets on there, and they say it lasts a little bit shorter. I'm gonna keep the old one until I know this one works. I'm gonna reach in there and put it back in. Make sure that tab is lined up right. Looks like tab's gotta go that way. See, I kind of line them tabs up. I'm gonna push it in, then twist it. Got it in. Tested it. It does look like it's working. Got a weird little thing right there that the other side doesn't have. We'll put it back together. So we gotta twist that cap back on there. Doesn't go on there very far.